Classic DMT deity archetypes, albeit machine elves and jesters, appear to be extremely commonplace regarding pre-Columbian artefacts. The examples pictured depict the much-famed trickster profiles witnessed upon many breakthrough doses of DMT. Not a great deal is known about these otherworldly artefacts, which continue to defy rational explanation. However, what we can be certain of is the fact that the region was, and largely still is, practicing a tried and tested methodology regarding their own sacred plant-based secretion. Anrina columbina is a psychoactive variety whose seeds are known to contain bufetenin, 5-MeO-DMT and NN-DMT. Because of the uncanny connotations which appear to go hand in hand with these psychoactive super substances, the otherwise mythical notion, somewhat loosely termed as El Dorado, may well be better described as the DMT realm itself. The artifacts serving as a timeless reminder of what waits for us beyond the material bonds of everyday waking reality within the framework of the DMT experience. I'm Vooght.